Hello, and welcome to this live session with your host, Dre Day FX. So we are going to do the live session here in regards to the market, the index market, and the Forex market using the EMX AI. So let me make sure that my speaker is working. Yes, it's perfect. So shouldn't have any issues like yesterday. So let me share my screen so we can start. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And we do live here weekdays here, Monday to Friday, depending exactly if I'm available or not. So let's get on to it. I'm just going to change my glasses here. So yesterday, if you weren't on the live, we were looking at some we're looking at some the EMX AI version 5. So that's the current version that we're seeing right now on the screen. So I did a breakdown of exactly how it works and everything like that. So make sure to look at the previous video in regards to EMX AI. So right now we have a buy on US 30. So this is the buy setup here right now. So same principle. So you're gonna receive the signal here. You're gonna have your stop loss that will be put right here, and you have your TP zones right here. Okay. So the TP zones are based off of the Renko. So that's why you see the Renkos here on the screen. But it's already calculated here based off of the next zones that the price should go in the future. Okay. So the reason why the stop loss is further like that is because when the Renko is switching to bearish, this is the actual box that the price should go. Okay, so as long as the price is not in that area, your trade will still be open. And at the same time, you're going to receive a notification saying that the price is switching to a red candle, a red Renko from a green Renko. Okay, so basically you have like double confirmation. On top of that, you're gonna have the confirmation of the color switch, more or less before or after the actual switch. So let's see here. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Great. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So GP US 30 is a buy right now, right at market open for the US market. And let's take a look at other pairs here or indices. So this is SSP 500. This is where we're at right now. So we had a buy entry here at New York yesterday. So it went up, went to TP2 and then reversed back down. And then afterwards, it was still shooting up here since Tuesday night until this morning. So let's go back on NASDAQ. NASDAQ is right here. Same thing. Nasdaq, we had a sell at 8 and then it reversed on us, but the actual market condition is bullish here overall. So this is the actual price currently for Nasdaq. Let's look at the US Euro USD. Sorry. So Euro USD here is still in a bearish movement here. It may start to reverse. And those are based off of the 1 hour Renko. Yeah, I'm just going to change. Sorry, I'm just going to change the time of the chart. It's going to be way better. There you go. So move drawings, perfect. So we had a sell here on the 15-minute. And still good here. So let's look at the GU. So make sure that we change the time frame to 15. There you go. And remove the drawings. Remove the drawings. There you go. So this is where we're at right now. It's going to change the settings. It's not the right one. The 1 hour. Boom, boom. So we have a buy on SSP 500. So SSP 500, you have a buy. And regarding the Renkos, you can make adjustments here off of the Renkos. So depends exactly on how you like to use the Renkos. Make sure to change them. All right, so this is the market right now. Then you have Euro GBP. So I'm gonna make sure that I change the time. Boom. There you go. So we had a sell here. Sorry. So still looking bearish here. Okay. So in regards to the Renkos, you could make an adjustment on the Renkos. Right now it's off of the 1 hour. But if you're looking, let's say, for the 15-minute time frame, you can make the adjustments here on the Renko time frame. So if you, let's say, you put it at 30 minutes, it's gonna change dramatically the entries that you have, and it's gonna lower the Renko size. Okay. So let's say we put it at the 15-minute Renko. Just gonna look at the back. There you go. So you see, it's more refined. Okay. So depending exactly on how you wanna use it, you just have to make sure to adjust the the Renkos here. Okay. So compared to the other settings here that was on the 1 hour, it's more refined. That means that your TP will be smaller and you're going to be in and out of the trades more faster. Okay. But let's put it back at the hourly, because this is what we are looking at for the live market. So let's see, we had a buy, like I said, buy on US 30 again. Basically, 2 US 30 buys were triggered. So let's go back and see where we're at in the market with those 2 trades. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just gonna ask something to Gina. All right, perfect. So, like I said, the US 30 is, we had a bullish indicator. So I'm just gonna double check the settings here. We're good to go. Yep. Perfect. So we're gonna wait it out. But like I said, for the Renko bars, uh, that will plot your TPs and everything like that, you could make adjustments. Okay. For example, I'm just gonna repeat myself because I think no one was there at the beginning. So I'll repeat myself. This time frame for the Renko is really important. Okay. So you have the option to change it the way that you like. Okay. So by default, it's at a 1 hour, but you could change it, let's say, to 30 minutes. And if you change it to the 30 minutes, you're going to see it's going to change the Renko bars here. Okay. So it's going to be more refined and your TPs will be smaller, but you're going to have more entries, but you have to make sure that you lower your risk and your TPs will be mostly hit, at least TP1 and TP2s and TP3s, okay, depending. Okay, so if we look at those trades, I'm just gonna put it right here. So you had multiple buy entries here. So the first one went to TP1 and TP2. Okay, then you had another one here, but this one did went to TP, not even TP1. Okay, but the trend was still bullish. And right now, the signals that you're seeing is based off of it's really filtering within the New York session. So those are trade that were done in the afternoon, and then you have other trades here on Tuesday. So that was in the morning. Okay. And on top of that, you're going to receive the notification saying that it's going to switch from bullish to bearish. So you have the option to take your trade if you know exactly that the trend is going down. You trade it down, and you just wait out the next reversal to get out of the trade if you want to, or you take partial profit here between that time. Okay. So, like I said, you could change the Renko time frame whenever you like. Okay, depending exactly on the actual signals that you're going to receive. If you like more signals in the lower time frame based off of the lower Renko time frame, you're able to do that. But for the purpose of this live, I'm going to stay on the 1 hour one. And as you can see, it's going to change. There you go. So it's not the same trades that you're going to receive. Okay. So make sure to play with that. Okay. So if there's any questions, guys, make sure to put them in the chat. This live is done for you guys. If we have some opportunity to get in the market, you know that the bias is already on the screen. So, oh, you see, I didn't have to change that because I wasn't on the right time frame. So that's another thing. You need to change your time frame to make sure that you're on the right one. So that means that the signals I'm going to remove them because it's not based on the right time frame. I'm pretty sure all of them are on the 5 minutes. Most of them, yes. So I have to redo the settings here. So remove that. That's good. Removing that. No, that's good. Removing that and those two. All right. So if you don't know exactly how to set up your signals, I'll show you exactly how to do it. If it's one of the first times that you're using TradingView, or you never use the signal feature, you need to be. I know if you have like a basic TradingView, you're allowed to have like at least one alert. But when you have the higher packages, you're able to put multiple alerts on your TradingView. Okay, so that's good. So the way do you put your signals here? You click on the three dots here, off of the indicator. You add the indicator, the signals here, based off of that, and you just make sure that it's an open-ended alert, so that way you're always going to receive alerts based off of the settings that you set up, and you just have to name your alert. And I put EMX AI version 5, and I click create. And that's pretty much it. So I'll do the same for the others that I need to redo. So I'm just gonna look. Yeah, so I think I already had a few of them recreated. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's the right ones. And I'm gonna delete those that I just created. So it's only an example that I did for you guys. So let me close those signals. There we go. And I'm gonna open those signals here. Here we go. Okay, because you have the option to pause your signals too, if you didn't know. This is 515. Perfect. So, and at the same time, in the background, I'm testing out a few things here on my end in regards to automation and everything like that. So eventually, the automation will be done. And like I said, don't mind me. I'm eating my breakfast at the same time. It's a chill life. So what I was saying, yeah. So EMX AI is it's not available for to sell. Maybe for a few people. I'm gonna limit it for a few people only. So if you want to have some inquiry about EMX AI, make sure to send me an email at Dre Day FX management at gmail.com. It's in the description of this live. So you could send me an email and tell me that you are interested of getting access to this indicator, and I will chat and coach you exactly on the price. And the price is really expensive here. Just like you know, guys, because it's really the way that I trade, and you need to secure the your intellectual properties, right? So it's really limited to a few people only. I know one of my students here, Leon, has access to it, and he's loving it so far. I know he did the 1% on last Friday off of EMX AI, and that was version 4. So it was in this version here. So you got access to the version 5 yesterday only, because I was testing until yesterday. So Euro GBP, we have a sell, and we have a Euro USD sell. So Euro GBP, I'm just gonna make sure that I'm on the right. So right now we have a sell on Euro GBP. Yeah, Euro GBP. That's the sell here, and still bearish. That's perfect. And Euro USD. Yeah. So Euro USD sell. So it's still selling here. Yeah, so yeah, Leon told me that the chat is not working, so I'll double check to see if everything is good on mine. But I do see the chat that is live right now. Um, Let me check. Just gonna test it out. Look at the chat. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so the chat is working, Leon. So maybe it's in on your end, or maybe YouTube has an issue right now. So, but I just did a test right now, and it's working. So, like I said, maybe get out of the live and get back in, and it should resolve your issue. All right, so let's continue. So we did had a buy. Let's see here. No, that's a buy on for regarding my automation here. So disregard that. So let's see if there's anything else that came in. So we had at 9.5. You had a buy US 30. So let's look at US 30. US 30. Boom boom. So this is US 30 buy. So the buy came in at 9.45. Okay. So same principle. You have your stop loss. TP zones is right here. So it's all connected here. But once I recover. All right. Perfect. So yeah, Leon, I don't know if you're back right now. So let me know if you're able to send a message. But like I said, live chat is actually working. Uh, so it may be an issue with YouTube. Or do people sell signal in that trade? Euros JPY sell signal in that trade. Okay, got it. Let's look at it. Perfect. So glad that the chat is working. All right, perfect. So you said Euro JPY. Okay, let's look at Euro JPY. Let's see. So I'm just going to open this and put Euro JPY because I know you love to trade Euro JPY at New York, as always. So let me check, make sure that I have the right setting so I could get the alerts here. Yep, everything's good. Perfect. So you are currently in that cell. So basically, you had like two cells that came in, one at 9:15 and another one at 9:30. So if you're in that cell, that's great. Should be in good profit so far. So that's basically a beautiful trade here. So same principle. Like I said, uh, right now I'm pretty sure you have your settings on a 1 hour Renko, Leon. Uh, like I was saying at the beginning, you have the option to change your Renko. Okay, your Renko time. Okay, because when you change the time of your Renko, um, like every time I'm gonna give you some more data, more updates on the to more refine your trades based off of the wrinkles. Okay, based on what I'm seeing each and every day. Okay, so right now you're trading off of the 15 minute, I'm pretty sure, or the 1 hour. But we're gonna give the example on the 15 minutes. So on the 15 minute, your wrinkle is a 1 hour wrinkle, right? But you have the option to switch it to a lower time wrinkle. So you could go from 1 hour to 45 to 30 and up to 15 minutes. So the same time frame of your wrinkle, you're able to change your wrinkle to that time frame. Okay. So I'll give you an example. So if I do 45, you're gonna see it's gonna change. There you go. The only thing is that is you're not gonna see that trade. Okay. But if you wanna your intraday or your swing trader, it's better to keep it at a 1 hour because this move you're gonna get in that move. Okay. But it depends exactly on what type of trader you are. So let's say we put it on the 15 minute. You see 15 minute, we had a buy and then we had a sell, but it didn't give you a sell signal based off of the entry, but it gave you an actual signal with the switch of the color. So you should have received a notification saying that it's switching to red. So that would be another option to get in on that trade. But congrats if you take that trade on the 1 hour. It makes sense for you based off your COT, I'm pretty sure. So that's why I love to put it on the 1 hour Renko uh, on that front. So I am monitoring Euro GBP. Yay. Not in Euro GBP sell, just looking for price action. Okay, got it. Got it. I'm monitoring Euro GBP price action. Okay, got it. That's perfect. Euro GBP. Um, Hold on, guys. I'm just waiting, looking at my phone for something. Got it. Okay, great. That is perfect. Okay. Yeah. So that's Euro GBP. Okay. So Euro GBP. Just waiting for you're waiting for the price action. So that's perfect on that. Overall, it was bearish here since Monday. No, yes, since yesterday. Sorry, since yesterday, you had a lot of sell signal that came in, and then it started to push down. So, so that's good on that front. And then around in regards to version 5, are you liking the layout so far? Do you like it? So far, we have what US 30. See, US 30. Now it's going down. If we see the price action here, it went and got up of that high here, and now it's pushing down. So we'll wait and see if we have a switch in the market based off of the Renkos. So if we look at the lower time frame, let's say 15 minutes for the Renko, and see what type of trade we had. Boom. You see? That's why I say it depends exactly on what instrument you're trading on. Especially if you're trading intraday, it's better to get a lower time frame for the Renko. So that way you're not gonna be missing that move here. So you had a buy here and then you had a sell, so it's pushing down, and it is a selling Renko right now. So it may continue going down. Okay, so as you see, these are the different levels that the price went. So here it crushed TP3 nicely, and that was yesterday morning. So we had a couple of buys here off of the 15-minute Renko. Okay, not the 1 hour, because if you put it on a 1 hour, you're not gonna have the same setups. Okay, so that's why you need to play with the Renko bar time frame to see exactly the best one based off of your trading strategy. Okay, your trading plan. Okay, so if you're like holder, better to go on a higher time frame Renko. But if you're an intraday or a scalper, go on the lower time frame Renko. Okay, that way it's better. Tonight's 10:15. My time. So, like always, we're still going to be on until 11, and we're going to shut it down. So we have GU for sell. So let's look at GU. Let's do GU here. Yes. So GU for sell. So it's starting to push down. So if you were in that sell here, you'll still be in that trade because it never went to your stop loss, and it never give you an indication that we're reversing going back up right now. So you never receive a notification saying that we're looking to switch green, or that the Renko bar is the Renko are changing colors. Okay, so still about it. Yeah, so I received the same notification as you, Leon, because I put the same settings as I gave you. So, did you receive that notification on your computer or your setup, or you're telling me that the signal came in on my screen? It's totally different thing. So we may have some. Sometimes you're gonna have like a delay on the signals. That's pretty normal. uh, the way that the entry is set up is that it's so precise that sometimes the signals are not triggering. It's going to trigger on your alerts if you have your alerts open, but on your screen you're not going to see it sometime, and it's really rare that it's happening that way. So don't worry about it. I'm aware of it, and fortunately there's no fix for now for it. Got it. Got it. Okay. All right, that's perfect. If you receive it on your end, that means that we're seeing the same thing. So that's great. Okay, so Euro USD sell signal on my side. Let me check. Um, Euro USD. USD. Yeah, there was a Euro USD sell at the. What time is it? Is that the right one? Is it the one at like 13 minutes ago or just right now, Leon? I'm just gonna switch my my screen here because right now I have it on. Okay. All right. So Euro USD. Euro USD. Ah, here you go. So Euro USD. Selling right now. So let's. I'm just gonna remove the Renko so you guys can see what we're talking about. So we have the option to remove the Renkos here, so it's gonna be clear. So this is the trade right now. So we had a sell at 9:45 and then another one at 10:15 that came in. So those are the two trades here in a downside. I receive a sell on the but do not have anything. Okay, it was on the 1 hour. Okay, got it. So I had no so 15. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So maybe I'm pretty sure on the 1 hour you had it. You had a sell maybe at the top of the hour at 10 or at 9. Unfortunately, I don't have the settings on that on the live, but just let me know which if you were using the settings for the 1 hour Euro USD. But it makes sense that it was selling, and that's why it's still continuing going down right now. So yeah, so that's Euro USD. I think we received something else afterwards, right? Or am I? Yeah, sell Euro USD, sell Euro USD. That's for my automation and sell GBP USD. Got it. GBP USD. So if you got that GBP USD sell, even though you don't have the your TP zones, this is basically are your TP zones. First, second, third. Okay, it's always the same. It's always calculated based off of the Renko that you're using. Okay. All right. close it out. Let's look at. So there was a buy set up here on the 15, but on the 1 hour Renko, but on the 15-minute Renko, you would be in that sell right now. Okay. If you're trading indices, it's better to trade intraday setups and settings. So for the intraday settings here, I would tell you guys to make the adjustments on your Renkos to put it on the lower time Renko. Okay, so once again, you go in this section. Right now it's at a 1 hour. You could put it on 30 minutes or 15, and you're gonna have better entries for intraday trading. So you have your TP right here. So that's so that's the price that it came in. First TP, second TP, third TP right here. All right, so let's put it back at an hour. So yeah, the live is only in the educational purposes only, guys. So you do whatever you want with the information that you have. So this is at your own risk, as always. So is there any other like pair or that you want me to look at? I think so far, guys. You just let me know what other pair or indices you want me to look into. So yeah, the price is always going within those range, always. Okay, depending exactly on the settings that you put in for the Renko bars, it's always going to go in within those ranges. It's always going to do the same movement. Okay, and that's why we have a notification here for the direction of those trades. So that way, if I don't receive a notification for my setups, like the sells and buys that you see on the screen, I'm still able to capitalize on the moves. Okay, so I would be in that trade here for a downtrend, and then get in on that trade here. And most of the time, you're gonna win most of your trades. Okay, because uh, overall, if you have like 5 or 6 trades open, for example, and only one of them is not profitable, but you have like 3 or 4 to cover your loss, and you should be in profit overall. And if you're trading within the market and within the trend of the market, if you're trading with the trend, you will be successful. Okay, so that is the gist of it. Perfect. So this is my automation. All right. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so nothing so far in regards to alerts. We had yeah, only GU sell here at 10:31. So 3 minutes ago. So Euro GBP. So that'll be this one here. Boom. So Euro GBP, and I'm just gonna remove the Renko so you could see. Do on and off Renko. Boom. There we go. So this is where we at with the trade. So in regards to the colors of like the TPs and everything like that, you have the option to change the colors of anything that you're seeing right now. Me, I love the black background with the colors in front, especially with the eye condition that I have. So visually, it's better for me to look at. So it may not be the same for you. You could like a white background with different type of colors for your wrinkles and your candlesticks. That's really your prerogative. Even I think the sell and buy. No, the sell and buy is better to keep it the same here. I don't think you have the option to change the color of the sell and buy icons. Yeah, possibly, but you have to understand that we're at the end of the month, so maybe the reversal was already been done. So the month is finishing tomorrow. If you look at the higher time frame price action, it will tell you exactly if we're going to reverse or not. But I doubt that there will be a reversal. Maybe there will be a small reversal, but not as big if you get a reversal at mid month. So usually at mid month, that'll be the best thing, the best time to look for reversal with price action and everything like that. Okay. You see, I was I was on mute, so I was talking to myself. That's great. So what I was saying is that if you have any questions, let me know. We're gonna be open. We're gonna be here until more or less the next 10 minutes. So make sure to uh, like and subscribe to my channel. We always do live sessions here most of the time during weekdays. Depending exactly if I don't have any meetings or any doctor's appointment in regards to my eye condition. And EMX AI works on any type of market. So it could be crypto, it could be stocks, it could be bonds, it could be corn, sugar, electricity, you name it. It works on anything. So especially EMX is good for if you love to trade with the trend. That is perfect, and that's the reason why you trade is that you want to make sure that you're taking a trade in the direction of the market. So it's a trend, right? So better to know exactly where the market is going or expecting to go, so that way you have a edge in the market. So yeah, that's pretty much my spiels for today. So we'll wait it out for the next 10 minutes, more or less, and we're going to close out this session. So between now and then, you could always ask me some questions here in relates to anything, anything Forex or indices here, or trading in general. So testing, 1 2. Okay, perfect. So it is working. Okay, great. Testing. Okay, perfect. So that's great. It's working. Yeah. So do you have any questions, guys? Anything you want me to review? So if there's no question, I will close it out earlier today. So let's yeah, let's look at maybe previous data moves that came with EMX AI. So, so as you see, so we were like bullish since the 10th, November 10th. So November 10th, it switched to an uptrend, and then you had multiple buy entries that came in, and most of them were winners. Then there was a few sells that lost, and buy, win, those win. So when I say it's a win, it's that means that they at least touch TP1. So if it touched TP1, that's a win for me. Okay. So overall, it's looking good. Tomorrow will not be on. I see you on Friday. Thanks a lot. And perfect. No problem. No problem, Leon. Glad that you like it. And yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know on that front. So yeah, that's automation. We'll close it out right now, okay? Because I don't think we're gonna have another. Yeah, it's 10:50. Yeah, so we're gonna close out right now a little bit earlier, but we'll get back to it tomorrow, and we'll see exactly what the market will give us as setup, and we'll catch on tomorrow. Okay, guys. So, on that note, I wish you a wonderful day and happy trading. So, see you tomorrow. Peace.